Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and today is the second Tuesday of the month of March, of course, 2022. What that means, it's Patch Tuesday or Security Update Tuesday. So if you go to your Windows updates, you should see updates for Windows 11, and this is, of course, security updates that are issued every month. We'll have a closer look a little later today as to what updates they are. So here for Windows 11, you have KB501-1493. And this is for, of course, the stable version of Windows 11. It should arrive also for unsupported hardware, as they are, of course, pushed to unsupported hardware machines also. And it's important to apply because it fixes a lot of security holes in Windows. We're going to see a little later today how many of these are affecting Windows. Is it a big month or not? We don't know yet. The blog post was not posted as I was recording this video, but it's soon to be there. So look for my Windows update video a little later. Somebody was asking me on Patch Tuesday updates if Windows 11 was receiving less security updates than Windows 10. Microsoft saying it's more secure. Until now, it's been pretty much the same amount of security patches on each side. And that has to do with the fact that a lot of the code is shared between Windows 11 and Windows 10. So flaws affecting Windows 10 most of the time will affect Windows 11. Now, there are cases where also there could be a flaw detected in Windows 11, but not in Windows 10 because of something that is different. And the other way around, of course, Windows 10 might have a security hole that Windows 11 is not affected because of a change. But overall, they've been pretty much the same. So it will, of course, apply automatically if you don't do anything for most. But if you want to stay safe as fast as possible, head on to the settings and into Windows Update and check your updates. You will see Cumulative Update for Windows 11, KB501-1493 for Windows 11. And of course, that will make sure that you stay safe on the internet and using your Windows 11 PC. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching our videos.